Minor installation of the burners, grates, and knobs will be required before firing up your Forte range. The 30-inch range comes with 4 burners, 2 regular-sized grates, and 1 small grate and 5 knobs, 2 15,000 BTU large burners, and 2 9,000 BTU standard burners. The circular opening on the burners should easily glide over the burner's igniter on the cooktop. Mind the 3 ridges on the bottom of it. They should be inserted into the cooktop's recesses to limit movement. You will know it's properly installed if the burner is securely fit with minimal movement. The installation process of the standard and large burners will be the same. Once the burners are installed, simply place the burner caps so each burner is completely covered. Once the burners and their caps have been properly installed, you can begin to install the grates. There are 4 small nubs with protective padding on the underside of each grate. You will place them into the recesses on the range. And just like the burners, the grate should securely fit with minimal movement. When installing the knobs, simply match the cutout on their underside with that of the rod on the range. The black strip on the knob should be facing up to indicate you are placing it correctly. Push the knob inward until you meet resistance. There will be no click to indicate you have properly installed it. This is normal. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, visit us on forteappliances.com or give us a call at 718-249-1217.